Eh.
If you finish one way, if you don't go join, so say you don't bring that finish alone. You won't come out for more.
Do you know that there are different methods of peeling cassava? I put this video on slow motion because I want you to see the different methods that is being used even here right now to peel these cassavas. See, Pastor Victor and his wife, they are peeling the cassava just like yam. Unlike yam, it can be said that cassava peel is detached from the cassava itself in a way, because once you just put your knife through it the way Mercy's peeling has now, you don't even need to stress yourself to begin to peel it like yam. Once you roll the knife around it, the peel of the cassava just comes out on its own. That's the same way I'm peeling mine. What method do you think you prefer?